Why are Māori not seen to have potential? Is it the way we talk? Is it the way we walk? Is it the way we look? What do you see? A perception made from society? Skin color, maybe? Racial rivalry mentality, you tell me. A different kind of personality? Well, to my knowledge of reality, I am sure, no, I am completely positive that there is no such thing as equality. Is it because as Māori we are both minimized and criticized for things that we should not have to customize, having to compromise to a disguise that was idolized because as Māori we are marginalized, as that's what society has authorized? Is it because you think that my culture is pure grime because our views do not align? No, I'm not going to commit a crime. On the dole, in a gang, and jail time. All the things I look forward to in my supposed lifetime. Is it because Māori have had fear that has been embedded into our culture since the start of the first racist act, when one race thought they were superior because of the melanin they lacked? The same fear that Māori have because their brains may not work the same, but you know what? As a society, we will still use the same blanket approach that has not worked time and time again. The same fear that Māori have of being ridiculed, because if they actually succeed, they will not be seen as the same because you are Māori and you are inferior in this racial battle game. But stop. Stop, young Māori brother, and realize that although you were born with disadvantages, you are more. Do not let the world eat away at you like an ebbing shore, because that is not what your ancestors fought for. But stop. Stop, young Māori sister, and realize that you were born to make change. And even though that may sound strange, all you have to do is rearrange those goals in your brains that may seem out of range, but stop. Stop, my Māori everywhere, from the furthest reaches of the world to right over here, because I have something to say that needs to be listened and soaked through your ear. Because for the world to realize that Māori are potential, you have to stay. Stay the way you are. Do not shy away. Do not shy away from your cultures, your ancestors, because they are forever in your genes, in your DNA. You have to wake up every day and realize that this world has dealt you a bad set of cards, but you still have to play. And for the world to realize you are potential, you have to realize that you have the potential first, okay? Although it may seem like eternity for society to change their minds over this racial rivalry, my Māori brothers and sisters, do not sit quietly. Act violently against this oppression to ensure variety. Take back the mana that is yours rightfully. Do not be happy with what you have. Do you realize that irony? Because it is time that you stand up and you realize that you are worth even more than ivory. You are born to be greatness. That is fate. And as the song He Kākono Hau will state, and I will never be lost. I am a seed born of greatness, descended from a line of chiefs. He kākono. Remember, my Māori brothers and sisters, when you see your potential, when you actually realize, that is when the world will know that Māori are potential to be recognized.